Hello again, everybody. Welcome to another Breakaway C box break. This is for the 2013-2014 Upper Deck Artifacts. Double box break number 16. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. The serial number on the first box. NE200153-532. That's NE200153-532. And on the second box is NE200140-771. That's NE200140-771. So here we go. Good luck, everybody. Start off with the jersey patch card, 44/75 of Stefan Della Rovere. That card goes to St. Louis. That's the last team he played for. Autofax hitter Brett Bulmer for the Wild. Entertainment's dual jersey of Nathan Horton and Brad Marchand for the Bruins. Rookie for the Wild, Jonas Brodin, 866 out of 999. Team Canada card, 979 out of 999 of Evander Kane for the Jets. And a wild card rookie redemption, randomized at the end between everybody, is RAD234. And Frozen Artifacts jersey card of Mike Green for the Capitals. Short burn base, 99 out of 99 of Nicholas Lidstrom for the Red Wings. Team Canada card, 196 out of 299 of Steve Shutt. Card goes to Montreal. And you got a rookie of Mark Pisk for the Sabres, 829 out of 999. And box 2. Team Canada card, Carter Ashton for the Leafs, 265 out of 999. Jersey card for the Devils of Adam Larson, 59 out of 125. You got an auto fax of getting Nabokov for the Islanders. Got tender Tios of Martin Brodeur, Patrick Elias, and Ilya Kovalchuk. That card goes to the Devils. Short-burn rookie for the Sharks of Nick Brodrecki, 1 out of 85. And short print rookie Ryan Spooner for the Bruins, 242 out of 299. Sherman base, 637 out of 999 of Bill Ranford for the Bruins. Another rookie redemption wild card, 242. Randomize it at the end. Frozen Artifacts, jersey card of Joe Sakic for the Avalanche. In the last pack, short print base, 59 out of 85 for Alex Tanguay for the Flames. And there we go. So I just got the two randoms to set up. Give me 1 second. Okay, for the first wild card, RED 234. Randomize the list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Then randomize 3 times. So that card goes to the Avalanche. And then for the other wild card redemption, 242. Randomize it 3 times as well. Good luck. 1, 2, and 3. 3 times as well. And that card goes to Tampa Bay. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.